Hello, thanks for watching this video. Open a horizontal or vertical template in Photoshop. Double-click to edit the Smart Layer Replace. Place a photo onto the document. Close the temporary file. Click Save in the dialog window. Expand the frame's layer group and select a frame if applicable. The next layer reduces the brightness of the color. The BW Effect layer group creates an authentic black and white image. Matte Effect group will make the photo look softer. Color processing options are in the color processing group. You can also adjust the transparency of the layer. In the layer group paper textures, you can choose a suitable retro texture. And finally, you can add a little film grain effect. Your beautiful retro photo is ready. Check out other templates from the Photo Time Machine Ultimate Collection.